Today I am reviewing the iRobot Roomba Plus 504 Vac Robot Vacuum. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The iRobot Roomba Plus 504 Vac Robot Vacuum with AutoEmpty Dock is a premium robot vacuum designed to deliver a truly hands-off cleaning experience, combining powerful suction, advanced navigation, and smart automation features that make it stand out in the modern smart home space. From pet hair to everyday dust and debris, this device is built to handle a wide range of cleaning tasks with impressive consistency and minimal effort from the user. One of the most important highlights of this robot vacuum is its strong cleaning performance. It features power-lifting suction, which allows it to pull dirt, dust, and pet hair from both hard floors and carpets. This is especially useful for households with pets, where hair tends to get embedded deep into carpet fibers. The suction works alongside the anti-tangle dual rubber brushes, which are designed to stay in constant contact with the floor. These brushes flex and adjust to different surfaces, ensuring that debris is lifted effectively without getting tangled, which is a common issue with traditional brush systems. This makes maintenance easier and keeps the vacuum running smoothly over time. Another major advantage is its advanced navigation system. The Roomba Plus 504 uses ClearView Pro LiDAR technology, which maps your home with high precision. This allows the robot to clean methodically instead of moving randomly, resulting in better coverage and fewer missed spots. The LiDAR system works efficiently even in low-light conditions, meaning the vacuum can clean your home whether it's day or night. It also helps the robot avoid obstacles like furniture, cords, and other objects, reducing the chances of getting stuck. Combined with precision sensors, the vacuum can also detect stairs and avoid falling, which adds an important layer of safety. The AutoEmpty Dock is one of the standout features of this model. Instead of manually emptying the dustbin after every cleaning session, the robot automatically empties itself into the dock, which can hold debris for up to 75 days. This is a huge convenience, especially for busy users who want a low-maintenance cleaning solution. The dock also traps fine particles, including those as small as 0.7 microns, helping keep dust and allergens contained. This means less exposure to dust when emptying the bin and a cleaner overall environment. In terms of intelligence, the Roomba Plus 504 includes dirt detect technology, which allows it to identify areas with higher concentrations of dirt. When it detects these spots, it automatically performs extra cleaning passes to ensure the area is thoroughly cleaned. This is particularly useful in high-traffic areas such as entryways, kitchens, and living rooms. The robot learns from its environment and uses data to prioritize the dirtiest rooms, optimizing its cleaning route for better efficiency. Control and customization are handled through the iRobot Home app, which gives users full control over their cleaning experience. You can select specific rooms or zones to clean, adjust suction power levels, and even schedule cleaning sessions in advance. The app is intuitive and easy to use, making it suitable for both tech-savvy users and beginners. It also provides insights into cleaning patterns, showing which areas of your home get dirty the fastest, and allowing the robot to automatically adapt its cleaning behavior over time. Voice control is another convenient feature. The Roomba Plus 504 works with popular voice assistants like Alexa, Siri, and Google Assistant, allowing you to start or stop cleaning using simple voice commands. This adds an extra layer of convenience, especially when your hands are full or you're away from the app. When it comes to cleaning versatility, this robot performs well across different surfaces. It can transition smoothly from hardwood floors to carpets and rugs without losing efficiency. The combination of strong suction and adaptive brushes ensures that it maintains consistent cleaning performance regardless of the surface type. This makes it a great choice for homes with mixed flooring. Design-wise, the Roomba Plus 504 has a modern and sleek appearance that fits well into contemporary home interiors. Both the robot and the AutoEmpty Dock are designed to blend in with your home decor rather than stand out as bulky appliances. Its compact size allows it to navigate under furniture like beds and sofas, reaching areas that are often neglected during manual cleaning. Battery life and automation also play a key role in its appeal. The robot is capable of cleaning large areas before needing to recharge, and when the battery runs low, It automatically returns to the dock to recharge before continuing its cleaning task. This ensures that your home gets fully cleaned without requiring manual intervention. One of the biggest strengths of this model is how it simplifies daily cleaning. With features like automatic dirt detection, self-emptying, smart mapping, and voice control, the Roomba Plus 504 significantly reduces the time and effort needed to maintain a clean home. It is designed to operate almost independently, making it ideal for busy households, families, and pet owners. Of course, like any product, it's important to consider that this is a premium robot vacuum, and it comes with a higher price point compared to budget models. However, the advanced features, reliable performance, and convenience it offers make it a strong investment for those who want a high-quality, long-term cleaning solution. Overall, the iRobot Roomba Plus 504 Vac Robot Vacuum with AutoEmpty Dock delivers a powerful combination of performance, intelligence, and convenience. With its strong suction, advanced navigation, anti-tangle brushes, and self-emptying system, it provides a truly automated cleaning experience that can keep your home consistently clean with minimal effort. If you're looking for a dependable, smart, and efficient robot vacuum that takes care of cleaning for you, this model is definitely worth considering.